Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice latest version 26 on Ubuntu 24.04. First verify whether LibreOffice comes as the default application or not on Ubuntu. So you don't have LibreOffice suite. Okay, so first open the default browser, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is LibreOffice.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 26.2. Click on download. Then select download LibreOffice. Then select the Debian package from this list. See here we have the Linux 64-bit Debian. Select it and click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 207 megabytes. See, download completed and it is zip file. We have to unzip it. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. Now unzip this one, tar-accept, then Libre, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls, go to this LibreOffice folder. ls, go to this debs package, debs folder again. We have to install all these Debian packages. So command is sudo dpkg-i start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Go to show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice suite. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now go to terminal again. cd. Let's remove these files because we have successfully installed rm libre. Let's remove this directory as well, rm-rf libre ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 26.2 on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.